Hi, this is Mark from Beam Advanced Consulting. What I'm trying to show is how to use Design Change Manager. Anyway, what's Design Change Manager? So Design Change Manager is a Revit add-in that will help everyone to visualize and document changes in the model within Revit environment. So let's try to visit our website to see and understand some benefits of having this add-in. So if you try to type beamadvancedconsulting.com and go to our services, you will find some common questions. For example, what Revit version to use? So if you press that, it's available for 2018 and 2019 at the moment. Who can use this add-in? It's everyone can use this application, whether you are an architect, engineer, builder, subcontractor, QS, facility manager, modeler, drafter, BIM manager, BIM coordinator, BIM consultant, BIM specialist, and the rest. Is it applicable for different types of project? Yes, this add-in is applicable for all types of project as long it was built in Revit. Why and when to use Design Change Manager? In every project, design changes from different aspects like building regulations, site condition, material and equipment availability, and many more. It is important to know and understand why Revit models changing. Receiving or uploading your model from or to different parties every 2 weeks or depending on the agreed timeline, Design Change Manager will help you document what or why elements has changed. Another common question is how to use this add-in. So it is given to this add-in to check new, deleted, and modified. However, for modified elements, there are three aspects to understand in this add-in. First is XYZ location. When checking the changes of an element like movements from different direction, this command is useful and can give you the final location of an element. Another is instance properties. So this command will help you analyze changes in for instance properties of an element. Like for example, comparing area and or volume and all the instance parameter. Next is type parameters. This command will compare all type built-in properties like type name, type comment, and all parameter group under type. So next question is, what if parameter are made from shared and project parameter? So the add-in will also consider and check changes for these types of parameter. It only depends on what group, whether instance or type properties. So another question is, what skills or training needed to use this add-in? So no skills required, no training required. The add-in is built to simplify things. All commands are push buttons. Do you have trial version? No. So since we have 1 day subscription for as low as $5 excluding GST, you can enjoy the full version like the other subscription package we offer. Where to download the installer? Once the payment has been verified, we will email the installer and your authentication code. You can get the difference between the two models in a matter of minutes depending on the project size. If you have any question, email me at mark@beamadvancedconsulting.com or you can go to contact page and send us your concern. Okay, so we will go to Revit to see how this add-in will work. So we have two Revit structural model. By the way, I'm using Revit 2019. This is a Revit 2019. Yes, it's Revit 2019. So I have two models. Make sure you have the old and new model to compare. So for example, I have this one. I name it the old one to be the old date and then the latest one is to be the latest date. So this is the old model. This is the new model. So before you have to run the add-in, you have to make sure to press the first or the previous model. So this is the design change manager add-in. So it will give you options. So this is the XYZ, or we're in the geometry, the location. This is the instance parameter, and then this is the type parameter. So if you want to compare the type parameter, you can get this one. If you want to compare the instance parameter are this. If you press one element, all of this information, that's the instance parameter, all of this. So if you want to compare the type parameter, for example, click this, edit type. So type parameters including the type name and all of this parameter inside the type. All of this. So whatever changes here, it should be captured. So we have also the license here. If you press the license, it will tell you when the subscription will going to expire. For example, I want to run here uh, the instance parameter for the two model. Make sure you're working first for the old model. Press this. So this will take few minutes because I think this is around more than 1,000 elements. So it should be around 6 minutes to capture, and then another 6 minutes for the next model. So we just leave it like that and wait for the add-in to complete the task. Okay, so it's done. So next is we have to go to the latest model and we do the same. Again, we have to wait for another few minutes. Okay, we're done. So for having this result, I need to have at least two screens. So minimize. I need to extend my screen. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for Design Change Manager Part 2, Visualization and Reporting.